All right, now for this part of our non-live learning, we'll need to define these terms here, as well as find a picture for each term. Now I would like you to do this in Discovery Ed, and I'd like you to use the glossary there instead of just a Google search. This is for a specific reason. When you Google search these words, you're going to get a much broader definition than if you use the glossary on Discovery Ed. This glossary will help define the word in a way that makes more sense as an 8th grade scientist and for our purposes. So what I would like you to do is go to Discovery Ed, and ideally, you would find yourself in the part of our tech book that we're working in. However, as long as you can find any book, you can access the glossary. And so once you're in our book, if you look over here to the toolbar on the right, almost to the very bottom is a book-looking icon that says glossary. And once you open that, you have access to the entire glossary for our chapter. So remember, that's why I said this is more helpful than looking on Google. You'll go up here to the search bar and you'll type in one of our terms. So one of our vocabulary words is biodiversity. And you'll see it also will come up in Spanish. So click on your vocab word. You will then have the definition, a video, and an image. You do not have to use this image for your definition, but use an image that comes to mind when you read that definition. All right, thanks, scientists.